Everybody's talking about how good and how cheap nano-banana 2 is, but what most people don't realize is that you can actually use nano-banana 2 completely for free and unlimited in the ways that I'm about to show you. So the first one is actually something most people don't even realize exists, which is literally if you come to google.com and then you see on the right side it says AI mode, most people don't realize that you can literally click on this and then it'll load up the AI mode. And from here, let's actually ask it, if I ask you to generate an image, what model will you use? Because when Google rolled out nano-banana 2, they actually updated the AI mode in Google to be using nano-banana 2. So as you can see right here, it says to generate and edit images, this AI on Google search uses nano-banana 2. So let's put this to the test. Let's say generate an image of Goku doing a backflip. I have no idea what it's going to come up with right here, but I guess let's find out. Well, actually, now that I think about it, I was going to say you need to be signed in to do this, so I'll sign in and then I'll show you guys. All right, so now that we're signed in, let's go ahead and see if it works. Generate an image of Goku doing a backflip, bruv. And let's see here, because it's nano-banana 2, it should be relatively quick, although do keep in mind, guys, because the model just dropped, it's probably going to take longer than it will ever take once it, evens out and everything. But let's see here, and hopefully like 10 to 20 more seconds, we should have an image of Goku doing a backflip generated with nano-banana 2. And so there we go, after a couple of seconds, we've got Goku doing a backflip. This actually looks so sick, and it looks like the anatomy's working, although maybe it's a little bit messed up at the bottom of the torso, but for the most part, it's Goku doing a backflip. He's even Super Saiyan as well. Now, I'm not sure technically if there's any restrictions as far as how many generations you can do, but you can always just switch to another Google account even if there is, so it really isn't an issue. That's why I say it's literally free and unlimited. Now, the second option that you can use is going to be our trusty LM Arena, and they actually rebranded, I think, to arena.ai. So just head on over to there. You can switch on over to, I think, direct will be the one we'll be using, and then click on this image right here. Or you don't necessarily need an image, but we'll click on it, and then it'll automatically select Gemini 3.1 Flash Image Preview, which is essentially nano-banana 2. It's just the technical name, okay? And then from here, we can do the exact same thing we did before. Let's just do, I don't know, an image of Goku sliding down a ramp. Click on agree, and it'll start generating again. Now, while this is loading, the cool thing about this, if you guys don't already know, is that nano-banana 2 uses web search, as you can see right here. So it'll search the internet right now, which is what it's doing, and it'll find an image of Goku, multiple images, and be like, okay, which one should I use? How should I compile it together to create my form of Goku? So this one's a little bit worse quality. I think it's because of the motion blur, but you can see it's Goku. He's sliding down a ramp, although it's more of a roller coaster. You've got the Kamehameha ride, which is that's pretty cool. Now, the one thing that I will say with this method is that they will restrict you. I'm not quite sure how many generations. I think it's like 10 if you're logged in and only 3 if you're logged out, but you can always do the trick where you get the VPN and then you switch to another IP and then do the exact same thing literally infinitely. And as always, guys, if you want to use a VPN, I will have the link to NordVPN. It's the one I've been using for literally about 6 years now, which is kind of insane to say, and I use it for everything that I need VPNs for. Now, before I let you guys off, I do want you to know that although you can generate these images for free and unlimited, like I keep saying, it's not going to give you the same customization options, I guess, as you would if you were doing it through the API or whatever other paid alternative. So for example, here, we're in Google AI Studio. You can see with the options here, you can get aspect ratio, select whatever you want. You can do resolution, you can do thinking level, image search, grounding with Google. You can change all of these different criteria, I guess, depending on what your preference is. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I'm out.